నమస్తే, నేను మీ యాంకర్ లావణ్య. వెల్కమ్ టు ఎంటీ మీడియా. సో ప్రస్తుతం ఈరోజు మనం ఎక్కడ ఉన్నామంటే ఒక అందానికి ప్రతిరూపం అని చెప్పొచ్చు. ప్రకృతికి ఎంత అందం ఉంటుందో తనకు కూడా అంతే అందం ఉందని చెప్పొచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే తను ఒక మిస్ ఇండియా ఏషియన్ సుధా జైన్ గారితో ఉన్నామండి. తన మాటల్లో అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. మ్యామ్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
Hi Lavanya, I'm feeling so happy and you're looking gorgeous.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీకంటే
Yes, I just love the way you are carrying yourself. Your beautiful smile.
Thank
and
you.
especially your sparkling voice.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మేడం. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మా ఎంకే మీడియా తరఫున మీకు హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్, బిలేటెడ్ సంక్రాంతి శుభాకాంక్షలు కూడా. చెప్పండి మేడం, మీ స్మైల్ చాలా బాగుంది.
So this is my 2021 first interview and I got compliment from the anchor Lavanya. So I was like feeling happy.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. చెప్పండి మేడం, అసలు మీ లైఫ్ జర్నీ ఎలా జరిగింది? ఇప్పటికీ మీరు ఇంత అందంగా ఉండడానికి కారణం ఏంటి? అసలు మా వాళ్ళకి కొన్ని టిప్స్ మా ప్రేక్షకులు చెప్పేసేయండి.
First of all, I want to say hi to everyone and Happy New Year. But the thing is that I just want to say one thing, Lavanya. If you're feeling positive and if your surrounding is positive, every woman, every person in the world is beautiful. So this is a secret.
చెప్పండి, అసలు లేడీస్ అనగానే చాలామంది అంటే మోడలింగ్ ఫీల్డ్ అయినా కావచ్చు, మీడియాకైనా కావచ్చు, ముందుకు రావడానికి చాలా భయపడుతూ ఉంటారు. అసలు మీకు ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ అనేది ఫస్ట్ ఎలా వచ్చింది? అంటే ఎవరి దగ్గర నుండి మీరు మోడలింగ్ చేస్తే బాగుంటారు, మీకు బాగా సెట్ అవుతుంది అని చెప్పేసి?
I just want to say one thing, Lavanya. A lot of people are involved, and right from my school teacher, she said me that you are very good in Hindi language. So आप क्यों नहीं हिंदी में education करते हो? And I won so many awards in education, in Hindi education, from north to south, because my parents are in transfer job. So we are keep moving from one place to another place. India is a very beautiful country और I'm lucky that कि मैंने कुछ part of India का देखा है because of my parents. And yeah, particularly if you ask me about the modeling field, is happen like genie kind of thing, Aladdin genie kind of thing in my life. Yes, I love beautiful clothes. I just बहुत पसंद है मुझे अच्छे कपड़े पहनना. एंड आई वोंट बिलीव दैट कि अच्छे कपड़े, गुड क्लोथ मीन्स लाइक अ वेरी हाई बजट वन. इफ इट इज़ 200 रुपीज़ ऑफ कोटा साड़ी ऑल्सो, एंड इफ यू फील दैट कि यू आर कंफर्टेबल, यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट and you are carrying beautifully, that also is style as per me. So right from the beginning I'm like that only. And yes, I went for some exhibition and I'm just I'm into counseling for the teenager kids. And my father is on dialysis, and I done dialysis for my father for 5 years with the help of my family people. So caring and this kind of thing is developed by a lot of people in my life actually. And suddenly one international designer come up and they said ki, hey, you got very expressive face and this thing. I said, okay, it's a compliment. I said, took like, okay, fine, good, I'm feeling happy. Then he said me that ki, why not you just come to my workshop and try some clothes? I said, yes, definitely. I want to say one thing, Lavanya, you must be a risk taker in your life with safety. I won't say that ki somebody is calling you in somewhere and you are just moving because I'm a risk taker. मैं risk taker हूँ, I just run it. No, with safety. And karate is a very small thing, but I must say that कि every girl, every parent को अपने बच्चों को, especially girl child को, physical fitness and physical one ability सिखानी चाहिए, is must. And I'm lucky that कि I'm an NCC student and I took that risk. You must be a risk taker in your life if you are feeling that you are capable to handle yourself. So I just went there and a lot of beautiful clothes are there, and I was like, oh my gosh. It was like that. And then I tried some few clothes and he asked me that will you do shoots for this? I said, okay, fine, but I'm not very much about know that what is the angle of a model, and they said no, we don't want this, we want what you are actually. And believe me, Lavanya, after 1 month I got a call from that person and he said that we come and see your poster. And each and every poster was like, being a woman, I was like, oh gosh, She is beautiful. That kind of feeling is coming up after that poster. And journey started, and then I participated into this Miss and Mrs. Gujarati Hyderabad, and I won. And then journey started with lots of projects, and people said that my face is little expressive, and you know that one thing, designer prepare one dress,
Okay.
but for you is a dress, for them is a story.
ఓకే
कोई भी ड्रेस के पीछे एक बहुत बड़ी स्टोरी होती है, पेद द स्टोरी, कोई भी ड्रेस के पीछे. एंड दे सेड दैट कि यू गॉट दैट उम्फा इन यू, दैट कि यू प्रेजेंट माई स्टोरी थ्रू योर एक्सप्रेशन.
Okay.
So that's the reason I started lots of catalog shoots, lots of hoarding shoots, and journey started. Then I won lots of beauty pageant, and one is a international beauty pageant, Mrs. India Asia Pacific 2017, and I'm happy that I groomed by very perfect, very class people, and because of that I learned lots of things, and then it started that kind of thing. So now yes, people said ki when we search in a Google Sudha Jain, you come on top, so
Right.
it give me confidence, it give me more motivation.
Okay.
Thank you so much for love and everything, and media love, I tell you.
Okay.
And see, like how NK channel is like right now, you people are here, so this kind of love, by luck, by hard work, मुझे मिला है.
ఓకే సుధా గారు, ఇప్పటివరకు మిమ్మల్ని ఇంతవరకు ఇంత అందంగా డిజైన్ చేసిన దాంట్లో సో మీకు బాగా నచ్చినటువంటి డిజైనర్ ఎవరు?
I tell you one thing, Lavanya, every design is result of some beautiful emotion and some beautiful story. Every design.
Okay.
But few people, you become friend. You are professional with them.
Okay.
They are teacher for you. They are mentor for you. Might be few people are like that. And in that one person, I must say that I don't want to say one. I want to say two people. They are mentor for me. They are friends for me. They launch me in a kind of their catalogs. Okay, and fortunately their catalog, one of designer catalog दुबई तक भी गया.
Okay.
उनका. So इस तरह के बहुत से बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स उनके साथ किए हैं. One is Sunaina, and she is very adorable girl, and one is Zubeen Vakil.
ఓకే.
And I can't say this whole interview is not enough for Zubeen Vakil sir.
Okay.
This much of big story.
ఓకే.
Very fabulous person, very soft hearted, and very intelligent.
ఓకే.
And I must say that I adore him, I love him, and I love him as a student, I love him as a friend. So lots of things are there, one person, lots of relations are there. Same with Sunaina, so lots of relations are there. And one person is from Philippines.
Okay.
That designer Alamoda Culture, they also design a very beautiful dress for me, and I feel personally that they are lucky for me. So like
ఓకే. సో మీరు బాగా ఇష్టంగా అంటే ఫ్రాక్స్ అయినా కావచ్చు, శారీస్ అయినా కావచ్చు, దేనికి ఎక్కువ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్తారు చాలా వరకు?
very tough question, Lavanya. You are looking very sweet, but you are so see, few people said me that sari won't suit you,
ఓకే.
and 90% people said that sari suits you. And personally I got, I think, more than 500 to 600 of saris. Lots of variety, and my grandmas, my मेरे पूरे जनरेशन में बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं. छोटे भी, मेरे एज से छोटे फ्रेंड्स भी मेरे हैं और बड़े भी हैं. सो दो एल्डर फ्रेंड्स, आई यूज टू टेल देम दैट कि व्हेन यू राइट योर वसीयत, नो दैट विल give me this two sari in your will. So that kind of girl. So I love frocks, I love saris. Suits are my last choice actually.
Okay.
I believe that I'm not meant for suits, but might be I'm looking forward for some designer, might be after this interview with MK, that some designer said that no baby, you just come up and we are giving you a catalog for
Okay.
suits.
ఓకే. సో మీరు నెక్స్ట్ అంటే జనరేషన్ లేడీస్కి అంటే మోడల్స్కి మీరు ఏం చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
See, every woman is a model in their own field.
Okay.
But if you want to come, especially for the fashion industry, journey started not in a single day.
Okay.
This is very tough time for everyone. Every person got their struggle. For me, there is no struggle word. I just remove struggle word from my dictionary.
Okay.
I just replace it with learning.
Okay.
So every struggle is a learning. So that kind of thing. And the second one is that you must be positive. It's not that failure is your part of no, I can't be failed. No, it's not like that.
Okay.
Failure is your journey, your part of journey, your part of life. I won't say that failure hona chahiye, but if it is there, okay. And criticism follows, right?
Okay.
If people are doing a criticism of yours, there is a two thing. My grandma used to say that if people are criticizing you, either you are very famous or either there is some mumphais in you. That's the reason people criticizing you. So I think celebrityness is that kind of thing that you are getting some criticism from the people. And one thing is that if you are a housewife,
Okay.
very tough job. Apart from a professional working woman, a housewife is the toughest job.
Okay.
So if आप अगर housewife हो, don't ignore yourself.
Okay.
Whatever you are preparing at home, especially vegetables, especially fruits, before serving on a dining table, आपको खाना ज़रूरी है. This is the first thing which I want to say every woman. Vegetables, fruits, and a protein.
Okay.
Before you serve to your family people, you need that strength to serve them, right?
Okay.
So first gain your strength. Prepare your plate first.
Okay.
After that, think about that yes, mine is over, now I have to go.
Okay.
That kind of thing. Because in this journey na, fitness is I won't say that you should be lean, thin, slim, then only you become a model. No.
Okay.
बट फिटनेस बहुत ज़रूरी है, स्ट्रेंथ बहुत ज़रूरी है, पॉजिटिविटी इज़ मस्ट ज़रूरी है. एंड lots of products are there, Forest Essential Indian product are there. And after this corona, I think I'm the person who promote Indian product more and more.
Okay.
Because cosmetics in India, we got so many big brands,
Okay.
which are equal to out of Indian cosmetic brand. Go for it because less chemicals are there and your skin needed that.
Okay.
And prepare some homemade uptans because India kitchen is like full of this thing. So take care of little bit of yours.
ఓకే. సో మీరు ఫుడ్ ఎలా తీసుకుంటారు డైటింగ్ ప్రకారంగా? అంటే మార్నింగ్ టు నైట్ వరకు అసలు ఎలాంటి ఫుడ్ తీసుకుంటారు?
That secret gonna be revealed. I don't want to tell that. But okay, for Lavanya, I'll definitely update that.
Okay.
See, there is two kind of people.
ఓకే.
One is strictly on diet, okay, because they love to do dieting and they get some kind of output result from that. And few people are there that they don't want to do dieting, but they are disciplined in their life.
ఓకే.
So this kind of thing. I'm a Mudra girl and I'm always into Ayurveda. So my mom is very good into this. I'm a brand ambassador for Moolam,
Okay.
which is a very famous Indian therapy place. Right now we opened in Banjara Hill.
ఓకే.
And that place is like when you go there, I'm telling you that you must go there.
ఓకే.
The best thing which I like, just gives spa to your bones.
ఓకే.
Thai therapies and this kind of thing is there. So go, this kind of things is mandatory for me. And I'm basically Mudra girl and I avoid few food after 4 o'clock.
ఓకే.
The reason behind is that after sunset, the capacity of digestion goes down.
ఓకే.
So don't eat few things. For me, I must want to say this thing that it is work.
Okay.
Like coconut chutney and potato and these kind of thing after 4 o'clock. Rice, if you are not having,
Okay.
you don't need much dieting.
ఓకే. సో సుధా మేడం, యాక్చువల్గా ఇప్పుడు ఇండస్ట్రీలో చాలా వరకు కమిట్మెంట్లు ఉన్నాయి. సో దానివల్లనే అందరూ వెనక్కి రావడం జరుగుతుంది. సో మోడలింగ్ ఫీల్డ్లో కూడా అలా ఏమైనా ఉందా?
I don't want to say this question in a terms of yes or no. I just want to give answer in that way that he see being into industry,
Okay.
being into human world, okay, that romance, attractions, everything is there.
Okay.
And I just want to say that you should be emotional.
Okay.
You must enjoy that all emotions, okay. But the question, I just come to directly to the question, is that it depends upon on you also.
Okay.
We can't say this thing that commitment kind of this thing is in modeling field or in industry field. We can't say that line. It's depend upon interest of the person also.
Okay.
Okay. There is no kind of force or nothing is there. And but sometime if it is happen or sometime it is visible in the social media, might be आप लोगों ने देखे हैं कुछ किस्से आते हैं बाहर.
Okay.
So is because of I think might be mutual understanding, or might be you are too much of महत्वाकांक्षी, too much of that yes, I want to do my dreams anyhow, any cost, I want to finish my dream. So this kind of attitude is also there to achieve that target.
Okay.
Might be you also be ready, or might be sometime it happen that people knows that you want this dream, this is your dream. So might be people put some kind of this kind of also thing. But for me, I just want to say that yes, you just live your dream. सपनों को मरने मत दो, but सपनों के पीछे भागते भागते खुद को मत भुला दो.
Okay.
That thing I believe in this thing. कि you want to reach to your goal, that's good. You must work for that.
Okay.
But at any cost, work on that. I won't believe in this actually. Yeah.
ఓకే. సో మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఎదుర్కొన్నారా అలాంటివి ఏదైనా మీ దగ్గరికి ఏదైనా అలాంటి బేస్ ఏమైనా వచ్చాయా?
Touch wood, I'm lucky. Touch wood. No. Actually, the thing is that I'm not into only in a modeling field.
Okay.
People should be versatile. हमेशा लोगों को versatile काम करना चाहिए. If you stick on a one kind of a business,
ఓకే.
see that Corona time, right? Everything is changed.
Okay.
But if you are into lots of things, apart from one skill, if you are good in one skill, but apart from that, keep learn another skill.
ఓకే.
Okay, you are good into that, you are perfect in one skill, keep learning.
ఓకే.
So that another skill make you busy. That another skill give you that the way to fulfill your dream.
Okay.
So I'm into lots of this thing. I'm into modeling. I'm a socialite. I design show as a show coach. I am into beauty pageant.
Okay.
I'm trained people. I'm grooming people, and I'm into business. So lots of skills are there.
సో కంటిన్యూ బిజీ షెడ్యూల్.
Yeah, busy schedule. So keep learning new things.
ఓకే.
Because in Corona time, what I notice is that I know physical things are not going.
Okay.
But I'm good into physically giving the physically output.
Okay.
I'm good into that. But I never been into virtually, because luckily I got very good of a graphic team, a person who done my graphic things. He's a master blaster, and luckily I got a good team of people actually.
Okay.
So they will handle all my digital kind of thing. But during Corona time, 1 month, you won't believe, I was like, oh my God, how to sit in front of this computer or laptop, because I'm a very talkative kind of a person.
Okay.
और वो कंप्यूटर तो बोलता नहीं है. वो चुप है.
Okay.
You have to handle everything. Like आप ही को क्वेश्चन करना है, आप ही को आंसर लेना है. But after 1 month, I started learning things.
Okay.
And in the month of November 2020, my first virtual show telecast all over the world, and luckily I won India Book of Record for that.
Oh.
So if you keep learning things, and you are not stuck. River.
Okay.
It's a small river, big river, broad river, slim river, right? But River is a river. Okay, never stop. That water continue moves. So I'm a person like a water.
Okay.
Adjust in any kind of a container. It is a big, it's a small, thin. From that kind of a person by heart.
Okay.
So and I started learning, and lot of person, especially my a digital team person, graphic person, he helped me to learn lot of things.
Okay.
And he said that if a person is a good student, we don't mind to give our education to somebody else. So my virtual show won India Book of Record, and first time just 3 days back I got this award, and I'm revealing this in front of MK Media.
Okay.
Still it's not out.
So first of all, congrats.
Thank you so much. Thanks so much. So
ఒకసారి అది ఓపెన్ చేయించండి.
yeah, so this is and yes, Lavanya, I love to open in front of you. Here goes.
So congrats, this is super.
So this is 2021, because I submitted in the month of December. Here is my word ID card. What the and you just see the weight of this. You just feel that yes is. And this is सबसे बड़ा हथियार is there India Book of Record. And see
super అసలు
yes, this is my official certificate. Okay. And is it mandatory to write year in a certificate? I don't like it. I don't want to show that. So you see like this. I don't want to show my year.
సో సుధా గారికి వచ్చింది, బట్ మేడం గారు దాన్ని ఓపెన్ చేసి మనకు చూపించారు. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మీ అందరి తరపున కూడా కంగ్రాచులేషన్, ఎందుకంటే తను ఇంకా 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 ముందుకు వెళ్ళాలి. సో తనతో పాటు
దిస్ ఓపెన్ ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇన్ ఎంకే మీడియా.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో మేము చాలా లక్కీ అయితే.
ఐఎమ్ ఫీలింగ్ లక్కీ దట్ కి పాజిటివ్ ఆరా బబ్లీ గర్ల్.
అసలు మీది వాల్ వేయాలి, బట్ ఇప్పుడు మా ఎంకే మీడియా తరఫున మేడంకి ఇద్దాము. సో చూడండి. సో కంగ్రాట్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వన్స్ అగైన్.
ఫీలింగ్ సో హ్యాపీ. I'm feeling so happy.
వేసినందుకు నేను హ్యాపీ.
Come little closer.
సో సుధా గారు, మీరు ఇటు హౌస్ వైఫ్, మోడలింగ్, ఇవన్నీ కాకుండా తపస్సి అని చెప్పేసి ఒక సర్వీసింగ్ కూడా మీరు, అంటే ఐ మీన్ డొనేట్ చేయడంలోనైనా కావచ్చు, సర్వీసింగ్ చేయడంలో అయినా కూడా, అసలు మీ పేరు ఎక్కడ చూసినా కూడా మారుమవుతుంది. అసలు ఇవన్నీ ఎలా బ్యాలెన్స్ చేస్తున్నారు అసలు? ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్
that is love actually. I love kids.
Okay.
And kids love me.
Okay.
That's the thing. Tapasvi happened because of one very well-known photographer, and he's into photography.
Okay.
He's into social service from long back, and one day he just pinged me and said that there's 21 kids are there, and is managed by two of the people.
Okay.
But they need something. So I just went there, and we started doing something. Now that fee structure of school, the kids is like half.
Okay.
Schools people are they agreed that okay fine, half fees is there. But I want to give that whole credit to those two guys who started that journey. I don't want to take any credit of this thing. And apart from that, yes, I'm working for lots of orphanages. I'm working for old age home, and I'm working for individual people, especially for the dancers, and especially for during Corona time I met with a lot of people.
Okay.
They after the way they are doing service, I also started. I don't want to show my those kind of work that what I done, because आपने कर दिया है, अच्छे से हो गया है, काफ़ी है. And yes, I'm into social service. I distribute. I think people call me for their places, and I'm happy that they feel that I'm a person from I want to do. So credit goes to all of them. I don't want to take any credit for that.
ఓకే
Yeah.
సో మీరు ఫస్ట్ ఒక కెమెరా ముందు ఉన్నప్పుడు అసలు ఫస్ట్ ఒక ఫీల్డ్లో సో మీరు ఒక వాక్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు so
అదే.
అసలు ఆ ఫీలింగ్ అనేది మీరు ఎలా పొందారు అసలు మీరు నేను చెయ్యగలుగుతానా ఇప్పుడు రాఫ్ ర్యాంక్ సంథింగ్ మీకు మోడలింగ్లో ఉంటాయి కదా అసలు నేను చెయ్యగలుగుతానా అని ఎప్పుడైనా అనుకున్నారా?
No, because I love this camera, definitely,
Okay.
right from the beginning. And you know, there is a two kind of you.
ఓకే
You are showcasing a dress or walking as a model, representing some product,
ఓకే
or people might think that ki, oh, she looked very beautiful or glamorous.
Okay.
Both the thing is good, nothing wrong in that. I won't believe that there is something wrong. If right now I'm updating you, if I like you, I openly come to you and I say that ki, hey, I don't know who you are, but you are looking very beautiful, you are looking very handsome.
Okay.
I'm that kind of a person.
Okay.
But everything is okay,
Okay.
till you feel that ki, no, this is irritating me, or no, this kind of thing I don't like.
ఓకే
Till that, everything is beautiful.
Okay.
Everything is okay. You know, एक आदमी को एक ह्यूमन बीइंग को सारे इमोशंस होने चाहिए.
ఓకే
If there is no emotion, I don't think that is there is a difference between you and a stone.
Okay.
You just notice that animals, they also show love.
Okay.
They also show love. So express it. And yeah, I won't say that ki might be sometime you never in that position, or you never feel that you just show your love directly.
Okay.
But there is a lot of way. And love in English, a very small word, but lots of kind of love to your teacher, love to your boyfriend, love to your parents, love to your profession,
Okay.
love for media, especially like, see, Karthik, your camera person, and I'm just noticing he's looking smart.
సూపర్ అసలు కార్తిక్ ఈరోజు నిద్రపోడు అనుకుంటే ఇంకా. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం. సుధా గారు మీరు ఎన్నో అవార్డ్స్ తీసుకున్నారు కదా, సో ఫస్ట్ అవార్డు ఎక్కడ తీసుకున్నారు, అసలు అప్పుడు మీ ఫీలింగ్ ఎలా ఉంది? అసలు గుర్తుందా ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్?
I have to recall that. I got Best Woman Award.
Okay.
Best South Woman Award. First award I got that. And I still remember I'm wearing netted green color of sari.
Okay.
With hand embroidery of pearls.
Okay.
I just love handloom and hand embroideries and everything. And luckily, I'm working with a lot of people.
Okay.
And I 100% want to share one story about this also.
Okay.
And I still remember that sari and this thing. And now 4-5 cupboards are there full of that.
Okay.
And but that is precious. That is precious for me.
Okay.
Yes, it's very emotional I am for that award actually. And yes, I want to say about this handloom and everything. I think is not connected with this question, but luckily I got 2 or 3 people group.
ఓకే
And that whole family belong, I think 50 people. And that whole family is working on this hand embroidery and everything. And from last 10 to 15 years, I'm associated with them. And right now, that family is completely independent.
ఓకే
आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, ड्यूरिंग ईद उनकी सेवैयाँ मेरे पास सबसे पहले आती है, एंड मेरी दीपावली की स्वीट उनके घर सबसे पहले जाते हैं. दैट काइंड ऑफ बॉन्डेज इज देयर.
Okay.
एंड ईद के टाइम पे आई रिमेंबर दोज लेडीज यूज टू से सुधा इस बार तो I just stop them to that call me ma'am.
Okay.
I said now we are like friends, so call me from first name. And they used to say Didi, they used to say Sudha, they used to say ma'am. lot of relations are there. So they said कि इस बार ईद के टाइम पे मेरे कपड़े नहीं हो पाएंगे, बट बच्चे के और हस्बैंड के होंगे.
ఓకే
I said why? They said कि no, my husband is very good into this thing, but we have big family.
ఓకే
I said कि why not you start something? You are good into this, right? So how? आई सेड ईद के टाइम पे होल नाइट आप जगते हो, राइट? तो ईद के टाइम पे आप मुझे 2 साड़ियाँ बना के दीजिए या 2 आउटफिट बना के दीजिए, और उस अमाउंट से आप अपनी साड़ी परचेज कीजिए ईद की. दैट कन्वर्जन स्टार्टेड लाइक दैट. ओके, now his position is like that, that woman from that home, that house, they purchase their kids clothes also. So much of independent.
Okay.
And beautiful hand embroidery, beautiful, you know, this. I must say that India is, you know, very beautiful country, biggest heritage and beautiful handloom thing. China सब कुछ copy कर सकता है, हमारा handmade product copy नहीं कर सकता है.
Okay.
I must say this thing.
సో మీరు ఫస్ట్ టైం మేకప్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు, అంటే ఇన్ని ఇయర్స్ కంటిన్యూ చేసుకుంటూనే ఉంటారు, ఫస్ట్ ఏ మోడలింగ్కి అయినా కావచ్చు, నార్మల్గా ఎక్కడికైనా వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఒక మేకప్ మ్యాన్ నాకు బాగా చేశారు, ఈరోజు నేను చాలా అందంగా ఉన్నా అని మీరు ఎప్పుడన్నా హార్ట్కి టచ్ అయ్యేలా ఫీల్ అయ్యారా?
Now Lavanya लड़ाई करवाएंगे और Lavanya फाइटिंग करवाने वाले हैं, because I'm lucky that I got very from northern to south. I got and even one person in London also. I went for one project.
Okay.
That guy also. They give me a different look. If you get chance to see my hoarding pictures,
Okay.
सब different है. It's not like a same. As I said that ki people said you got expressive face. So makeup artists also used to say that ki, you know, your eyes is like a playground.
Okay.
We can
Different styles.
different styles and everything. I don't know how far I'm not recognized that, but as a professional people they said this thing. So I got different kind of moods. If you check my you know, Google, maybe agar if you type hashtag fashionista, I started you know, lots of hashtags. I started celebrity jury kind of thing first time ever.
Okay.
So now it's continue, people are like working on that.
Okay.
I started as a fashionista, I started as a brand, and you know, lots of things are that. And so I got yeah, you said that ki before in modeling also you used to do you know, makeup. No, I'm not much makeup kind of a girl before. My homemade kajal
Okay.
and lipstick. I'm crazy about lipstick. So lipstick and homemade kajal is enough for me.
కలర్స్ ఏంటి? లిప్స్టిక్స్ కలర్స్ మీకు ఏమి ఇష్టం? పింక్ అండ్ రెడ్?
You check, I got I think more than roughly if I count
Okay.
is around
సో అంటే బ్రాండ్
270
కాకుండా
or right 300 kind of shades are there in my cupboard. Because I love all kind of shades. I explore. And homemade kajal I use till my mom made for me. Still she is like वो मेरे लिए बनाती है घर का काजल. So kajal and lipstick is enough. And even today for MK Media is also I'm without makeup.
అయినా మీరు చాలా బాగున్నారు అసలు.
This I said because I want compliment from Lavanya.
అలా కంటిన్యూ మేకప్ వేసుకోవడం వల్ల సో ప్యాచెస్ రావడము, సో కొంతమంది సర్జరీ చేయించుకోవడం అనేది జరుగుతుంటుంది. అది ఎంతవరకు నిజం? అంటే మనం వాడే దాని మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుందా?
Yeah. The way you apply makeup is not much important.
Okay.
For this question. But the way you you know, clean that thing.
ఓకే.
Is night 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, or midnight, whenever you're coming back to your comfort place.
ఓకే.
Oh, I got tired, I don't want to remove makeup. That is the point your skin got started damage.
ఓకే.
So कितना भी टाइम हो जाए, मेकअप रिमूव करना ही है. And that there is a procedure. If you want to go homemade kind of thing, just mix you know, a 2 spoon of almond oil, 3 to 4 spoon of coconut oil, little bit of olive oil, and half a cup of rose water. Shake it and just put it like that.
Okay.
And just apply and remove it. Very easy, right? If you want to go this thing. And if you want to go some you know, if you're traveling or something, you're not feeling comfortable, a lot of good products are there. You know,
Okay.
Forest Essential is there. Paris products are there. A lot of products are there.
ఓకే.
So you remove from that. But the thing is that how much you are tired, remove karna hai makeup.
డెఫినెట్గా.
Definitely.
సో సుధా గారు మీకు డాక్టరేట్ కూడా వచ్చిందని విన్నాం.
Yes, I'm lucky girl.
చెప్పండి.
Yeah, in 2019 October, I got a doctorate for my work
Okay.
in a fashion industry from Panama University, America. And I'm happy that I opened up one more path to, you know, people should think
Okay.
that कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है, why not we also do.
Okay.
It's not like that कि I got it. No, is opening of a path.
Okay.
So if you are starting something, you 100% in my mind is that कि okay, I am just opening this. I'm happy that is somebody, carry on this thing. If somebody got today a doctorate, like a lot of people after that got doctorate, and I'm happy for them. And I tell you one thing, any award, whether it's a crown, whether it's a doctorate, whether it's any kind of a certificate, 5 meter of run certificate,
Okay.
or any you got award for your cooking skill, anything, you deserve that.
Okay.
You are best at that day. You are best in that category.
Okay.
Nobody can compare you to the anybody of level, because everyone is good.
Okay.
See, अगर मैं आज किसी फील्ड में अच्छी हूँ and I got something reward or award for that particular area, okay. Those people who are available on that day, I am good into little bit good
Okay.
into that area. That's the reason they just honored me, right? Nobody can say this thing that ki are kaisa aaya. No, nothing like that.
Okay.
Because I tell you one thing, lots of apartments in Hyderabad, very big city, very beautiful Nawabi city. So lots of apartment every year conduct some beauty pageant.
Okay.
They conduct some fashion show, and somebody won.
Okay.
Okay. So she is also equally deserve like me. I am also equally deserve like her.
Okay.
It's not like that ki she won crown in apartment competition. No. She won. That matter. She is equally important how other people are important in that category. Because she is good in that crowd, right?
Okay.
So I won't believe in this कि नहीं ये कम है, ये ज़्यादा है, ये अवार्ड कम है, ये क्राउन कम है, नहीं. Every person put her or his hard work to reach for some goal.
Okay.
And they are equally celebrating that celebration, equally celebratory category for me.
Okay.
It's like that. So nobody can say this thing कि नहीं ये गलत है, ये सही है. नहीं, nothing. Everyone is equal. And if somebody want to say that thing कि अरे यार तुमको ये कैसे मिला, या अरे यार तुमको ये कैसे किया, क्या नहीं किया, you can exchange word, you can share experience.
Okay.
I also tell you one thing, that lot of people in south also, lot of people in north also won so many beauty pageant, and I appreciate them.
Okay.
They are equally hard working people, they are equally deserving people for my that.
ఓకే.
Yeah.
సో మీరు కుకింగ్ ఏది బాగా చేస్తారు ఇంట్లో ఫ్రీ టైంలో? అసలు మీకు ఫ్రీ టైం ఉండదు అనుకుంటా, బట్ ఫ్రీ టైం దొరికినప్పుడు.
Actually, being into Jain community, we are very into this. Might be you heard that ki keer sangri, gatte ki sabji,
Okay.
chole, puri, okay, bati churma, this
Okay.
kind of thing. So I'm good into that. But this also I learn. I'm not good before.
Okay.
So I learned this thing through years, and yes, I love to experiment new things.
Okay.
And I try new kind of dishes also. So I won't say that I'm a foodie, but I love kind of things. I love, because I used to do cooking or kind of beautiful dishes. Just because one reason behind is this, I want to use my crockery.
ఓకే.
Yeah.
సో ఆయిల్ ఎక్కువ తినద్దంటారు మేడం, అది ఎంతవరకు నిజం? అంటే మీకు స్కిన్కి ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది అని చెప్పేసి మీరు అంటే అక్కడ మీకు ఇష్టమైన ఫుడ్ కనిపించినప్పుడు మీరు తట్టుకోగలుగుతారా, తినేస్తారా ఆటోమేటిక్గా?
Lavanya, I tell you one thing, कुछ भी ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं है. Anything more is not good.
ఓకే.
Is veg, non-veg, even if you are eating 10 chapatis also, that is also not good.
ఓకే.
Anything which is more, not good. It's a simple formula. If you want to eat pakoras, eat pakora. But it's not like that that you're eating pakoras. It's not like that. Yeah.
సో పార్టీస్కి వెళ్తూ ఉంటారా మేడం?
I do parties. I don't want to say lie in front of camera. I do parties. I love dancing. Till that person say get out.
ఓకే.
I love dancing.
సో ఏదైనా డ్రింక్స్ తీసుకుంటారా?
I must say that ki drinking is not a bad habit if it is in a moderate way. As I say that ki everything more is not good. But I never, developed that taste.
Okay.
Might be I didn't get a good, people to teach me that. So I never developed that kind of habit.
సుధాకర్, అసలు యాక్చువల్లీ ఇప్పుడు మోడలింగ్ చేసేటప్పుడు సో బాడీ స్ట్రక్చర్ అయినా కూడా సో ఇలా మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి, సో నోస్ ఇలా ఉండాలి, ఐస్ ఉండాలి అంటే ఐ మీన్ కొంచెం వరకు టార్గెట్స్ ఉంటాయి. అవన్నీ ఎంతవరకు నిజం, కరెక్ట్ మెయింటైన్ చేయాలా? ఇప్పుడు మా లాంటి వాళ్ళైతే పని
No,
యాంకర్ వరకే ఓన్లీ.
You all no. I must say that you try.
Okay.
You try. You got very sparkling eyes and smile.
Okay.
And everywhere is not like that. That structure is needed. Nowadays is open for that.
Okay.
Height kam hai to bhi, but you are very expressive or something. Then it work. It's not like that. Ki modeling means just walking on ramp.
Okay.
No. If you are happy with your camera, if you are happy and if you want to do, catalogs are there.
Okay.
And lots of hoardings are there.
Okay.
Product shoots are there. Online shoots are there. So it's not like that ki, just walking on ramp is a modeling.
Okay.
So yes, structure is needed because I already said that ki fitness is needed. More than structure, fitness is needed actually.
Okay.
Right. So if you are like little bit of slouchy kind of thing, that is not for the modeling. But if you are on a heavier side, but you are toned,
Okay.
then most welcome to the industry.
ఓకే. సో ఇంకా మీరు అంటే ఐ మీన్ మోడలింగ్కి వచ్చే వాళ్ళకైనా కావచ్చు, ఇప్పుడు ఉన్నటువంటి యూత్కి అయినా కావచ్చు, మీరు ఏం చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
Yes, first of all, I want to say thank you so much to MK Media to giving me this opportunity.
Thank you.
And Lavanya, you are fabulous.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
I'm not feeling like this interview is going on. It's
Okay.
like chit-chatting. And yes, I want to say, see, any part of your life,
ఓకే.
age is just a number. You can, enjoy the path of modeling. The reason, only one thing, you must be confident, positive, discipline. Discipline is must require.
Okay.
And, you are very much clear for your goal.
ఓకే.
It's required. Yeah.
సో స్కూల్ డేస్, కాలేజ్ డేస్లో సో మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇప్పటివరకు బాగా మీకు చాలా క్లోజ్గా ఉన్న వాళ్ళు, ఇష్టమైన వాళ్ళు ఇప్పటివరకు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా? మీతో జర్నీలోనే ఉన్నారా?
My two friends and recently one more friend. After 20 years, we met.
Okay.
And two friends in my journey, my school, college friends. They know and they appreciate that, and I'm happy that they like. They never ever said me this thing that what you are doing, this is not your field. No, they always appreciate me. One is in Hyderabad and one is in Coimbatore, my school and college friend, but we are in touch. And I already said that lots of friends from all of the corner of my India. So they appreciate me. They said that yes.
మీకు సౌత్ బాగా ఇష్టమా, నార్త్ బాగా ఇష్టమా?
So Lavanya wants to see, north is my childhood place, right? Assam is like very close to me because my childhood is in Assam. So anyhow, that childhood is always attract me, right? So, but I tell you one thing, South ने बहुत प्यार दिया है, and Hyderabad is now I used to say Hyderabad is my home.
ఓకే.
From last so many years, I say Hyderabad is my home.
హైదరాబాద్ మీ అత్తారిల్లు.
Hyderabad is my home. That love from the people I got it, that affection from the people I got it is like a lot of learning and good friends. So thank you so much, Hyderabad.
మీకు డాక్టరేట్తో పాటు సో గిన్నిస్ రికార్డ్ కూడా వచ్చింది. సో ఇంతవరకు అసలు ఎన్ని అవార్డ్స్ వచ్చాయి? అవన్నీ ఏమన్నా గుర్తున్నాయా?
The latest one for 2021, which is actually counted in 2020,
Okay.
India Book of Record.
Okay.
And during 2020, I got 3 awards. One is Glorious Petal Award
Okay.
from Shri Mua Arts. One is Most Inspired Woman from City Light. And my this Fab show, Delhi show, Shubstar Miss and Mrs. India, won India Book of Record and Asia Book of Record. That person who is organized that, and latest one this.
Okay.
And journey is going on, still waiting for more.
Okay.
And I got Dubai Summit Award from Dubai, and I got Vishesh Pratibha Award. I got so many is there. I'm a brand ambassador for many companies.
Okay.
So that recognition is there. Now I'm happy that people used to say, I also want to check that. People used to say that when we say Sudha Jain, it comes on top in Google. So I'm lucky that is also accounted as award for me. And I won 3 to 4 beauty pageant.
Okay.
I'm one icon lady for JCI Midcon award actually. That also I got. And list is little bit a short list only, but I want to make it big. So more few 10 to 15 awards are there. So counting is there.
సో మిగతా ఖాళీ టైంలో ఏం చేస్తూ ఉంటారు మీరు?
I won't say there is a khali time.
కరోనా టైం.
Corona time. Yeah, if you're not working into your profession and you're working something else, that is a khali time for your profession. I believe in this line. During khali time, I just my hobbies are like dancing and gardening.
Okay.
I love hand embroidery, so I try my hand few stitches on that. And so generally is like decorating things, artistic kind of things. Gardening is my passion, and dance is something which I believe that I can dance any day, anytime on any kind of a music.
సూపర్.
Yeah.
సాంగ్స్ పాడుతుంటారా?
My voice is not that great, but yes.
చాలా బాగుందండి మీ
I
వాయిస్,
do.
అసలు స్వీట్. మీరు లడ్డు ఎలా చేస్తారో మీ వాయిస్ కూడా అంత స్వీట్గా ఉంది.
I want to invite you for laddus.
ఒక మంచి సాంగ్.
Song. It's very difficult to remember lines, but I try. You like some old songs? Is okay?
ఓకే.
What's that Vinod Khanna song is that? Yeah. I have to remember lines. Give me 1 second. Yeah. Sorry guys, bear with me. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा. The next one which I liked one is 100 साल पहले मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा. तुम रूठा ना करो, मेरी जान निकल जाती है. तुम हंसती रहती हो तो एक बिजली सी चमकती है. सदियों से मेरा दिल तेरा तलबगार था, तेरा तलबगार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा. మై కెమెరా లవ్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండి. ఇప్పటివరకు సుధా గారు చెప్పినటువంటి మాటలు విన్నారు కదా. సో ఎవరైనా లేడీస్ అంటే ఐ మీన్ నేను ఈ వర్క్ చేయడానికి భయపడుతూ అనే వాళ్ళకి ఒక సజెషన్గా తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే లేడీస్ ఏది చేసినా కూడా కంపల్సరీగా సక్సెస్నెస్ ఉంటుంది. సో సుధా గారు చెప్పినటువంటి మాటలు వినండి. సో అలాగే మీరు ఏదైనా చేయాలనుకున్నా కూడా లేడీస్ అందరు ముందుకు వచ్చేసేయండి. సో ఎవరు కూడా ఇంట్లోనే పరిమితం అనుకోవద్దు. సో మనం ఏది చేసినా కూడా మన కష్టానికి మనకు హార్డ్ వర్క్తో పాటు మనం ఫలితం సాధిస్తాం అన్నది మరోసారి సుధా గారు నిరూపించారు. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మరొకసారి సుధా గారికి మా ఎన్కే మీడియా తరపున. అలాగే మీరందరూ వాచ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి. సో నా ఛానల్ని కంపల్సరీగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you so much, MK Media, for inviting me for this beautiful interview. And Lavanya, you are fabulous.
Thank you so much.
And
Karthik.
Mr. Karthik, I really enjoyed both of your company. And yes, I want to say only 2 lines that every person is good, appreciate and encourage to everyone. Whatever work they are doing, if you are able to help them, help it. Don't say that you are not good. So keep growing, keep rocking.
Thank you.
Hi friends, and today I'm at MK Media, and this interview is going on for 2021, my first interview with MK Media, and I'm really happy to share my good things and bad things, what I like it and what I don't like it. And please subscribe and like MK Media and keep watch me on MK Media. Thank you so much, guys. Love you.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.